so I just thought I'd just start vlogging because I just managed to put up my little announcement on YouTube, which is up now, and I've shared the news with you guys on Instagram. We're actually gonna go have a look at some sofas. No, can you come cut this?
I'm here.
I can see him. We're actually gonna go have a look at some sofas and a nice big bed because we're gonna need it. And I thought I would just vlog. Gorgeous. That's my seat.
Huh?
That's my seat.
No, this mum's seat.
No, mommy's got her glasses, sunglasses. Go on then. You know where we're going, yeah?
Yeah.
So I just put up my, I think I just said, just put up my video on my YouTube. It's a nice, heavy 30-minute vlog. It is a bit choppy, but I tried to do like a nice intro and outro because the clips in between were just like really rough. Really brought it back as well, even though it's only been like, I would say it's been probably about 2 weeks since like the worst of like the symptoms have kind of died down. We've got this guy in the back, and yeah, so we're just gonna have a look at some sofas because we've had our sofas actually not even that long, but since we got married, so we've had them 5 years, but it's first of all, they're fabric sofas. Anything that we ever spilt on them, you just had no chance of ever cleaning the actual cushion. We've actually hired, what did we hire? Sofa Chat. We actually did hire steam cleaner and a carpet cleaner, and we cleaned them, and we've cleaned them a bunch of times, but you know, they just never quite smell right, do they? Don't come round us. I want to get I'm in love with the sofa that I've seen on Loaf Home, but they're actually not that far out in terms of pricing compared to other places, but I think it's important to sit on the sofa you're about to buy and to have a look at it. My hair looks crazy because it looks so red, but it's actually not red anymore. So yeah, John Lewis is the only place I think that does Loaf sofas in store, but we're not going to go there today because we've got other bits to do today. So we're just going to have a look locally. You want your blanket? Okay,
cold.
But are you excited that you're going to be a big brother?
Yeah.
Are you super excited?
Yeah.
Aww. Are you excited you're going to be like dad and that?
Yeah, you know. Take it to number 2.
How do you feel about
Oh, shit.
how do you feel about baby number 2? How do you feel?
Brain shut down.
Because the last clip I've got of you in my vlog is when I told you I was pregnant.
Oh, yeah.
That's the only bit like I've got of you in the vlog. So the people want to know, how does daddy feel about being daddy to 2?
I feel like you're becoming super dad.
Super dad.
Yeah, I feel like now you're a dad, even though you've already got 1 kid. I feel like now you're a proper family man. Even though if you've got 1 child, it's fine.
Yeah, no, but I know what you mean, like you just feel like, I think our family will feel like, I think it's weird because up until I was pregnant, I said, I don't feel like something's missing, but I feel like having a sibling for Bubba is like the most important thing that we can do, because honestly, like without siblings life would be so boring. Bubba, like this, we didn't feel like anything was missing, but obviously you don't know what you have until you have it, especially with kids. Thank you very much. Did you check your burgers in here? I've just washed my hair, just had a shower, and did like a little Instagram video on how I'd like do my curly hair, like how I just wash it and prep it, and just, there's not a lot that goes into it, but I thought I would show that anyway. I asked on Instagram if you guys wanted to see like a clear out, decluttering, like my beauty room drawers kind of thing. So I'm gonna do that today. I'm gonna try and do, I know that if I start it I'll want to finish it, but I also know I don't have that much energy, so I'm gonna do as much as I can. But I need to get this guy settled right now and doing something interesting. So we're going to do some like watercolor painting downstairs. And yeah, before that I'm going to put some skincare on because my skin is really dry. So so my house is a mess. Yes, complete mess. Apart from laundry and food shop and cooking and lunches and going to work, that's a lot of things, but I've just not had the energy for like housework stuff, which is why everything is in a state. I have so much laundry to do, so much sorting out to do. I'm really getting yeah, we're gonna do painting, darling. Sorry, mummy is just gonna pop on some skincare because mummy's skin is very, very dry after the shower. So this is just the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream. What are you doing? You're a really cheeky monkey.
Oh, the painting.
Come on then, let's go do painting. I'm actually going to go to IKEA today as well and get some inserts for the drawers because they're a mess. But yeah, so I've got these 2 huge Alex drawers. They've got like half makeup in each. Half the drawers are not being used. Half that stuff is out of date. I've got lights. I've got a new glam core that I haven't even told you guys about. Also out of breath. I've got a bunch of paperwork there. Random crap in that box. And then this is where I actually do my makeup. Just this space here. I stopped using this. This room is going to double up. It might not look it, but it's either going to be Bubba's room when the baby is 6 months, because then I'm going to move the baby into the smaller room and Bubba's going to have this room, the baby's room. But initially when the baby's born this year, I'm going to have this area as the baby area in terms of storage, because there's nowhere else where we can put baby's clothes. So I'm going to possibly get some chest of drawers today for this area for the baby to house all his or hers clothes and just stuff that we buy. So that's what that's going to be, and then maybe like a little rocking chair. So that's the plan, and yeah, I need to get this sorted. I need to first go through, I'm going to go through this first and get rid of rubbish. This is a state of me, but I'm shattered. So I've tried to clear as much rubbish off the tabletops.
Downstairs.
Yeah. So I'm going to have to take this little guy with me to IKEA, which I wasn't planning to. So I got these grey ones, which my mum pointed out, and I was like, I don't want grey, I want white. She was like, don't be stupid, they're 50p. So I got these grey ones, and then I got these long white ones. Cutlery drawers, and I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of those. And 4 of these, and I just got a rug as well. The inserts, tray inserts, they don't actually fit in the drawers that I wanted them for, which were these Alex drawers, but they do fit in these drawers. So I'm going to start off, right, I'm going to start off over here in these Alex drawers. We're going to go for the top drawer, which is my worst nightmare. Like sentimental stuff. Sorry about the angle. I've got like sentimental stuff from like me and Jay. Oh my god, this hanky, my grandma gave me this hanky when I was like so tiny. It's like a Yankee Doodle hanky. Obviously it was made in, pretty sure it looks like it's been made in India. A bunch of crap in here. I actually have one of my favorite perfumes. That can go there. What is this crap? Oh my god, this was like my first Michael Kors watch and I loved it. This is like going back 8 years. This is meant to be the lip drawer. Most of my lip stuff is out. This is the blushes, eyes, foundation, palettes, oh it's heavy, random crap,